This is Tom Cloud with this week's Precious Metals Market Update. As I record this on Tuesday, gold is around 1,112. It's down now 6% for the year, and silver is right at $15, and it's down about 10% for the year so far. And people are calling, wanting to know whether or not to buy or to sell, and certainly that's always a personal decision when you see these drops. But one thing we've talked about in the past, and I've sent out in writing to you, is that the months of August, September, and October have not had 1 year in the 14 years of this bull market where gold and silver did not exceed 7.5% during that 3-month period. So certainly I do think that's going to do even better than 7.5%. So I really do look at it as a buying opportunity, but we do know that, as I said, both metals are down for the year, but certainly the words like plunged and plummeted are certainly not applicable. I mean, they've moved about like the stock market. The stock market has separated itself the last 2 weeks where it's slightly up now while the silver and gold are down. But also a lot of calls are coming in about platinum, and we have sold more platinum in the last 3 or 4 days since it went below 1,000 than we have probably in the last couple of years. So when you have a metal that's 46 times more rare than gold, and you can buy it at $120 an ounce cheaper than gold, it's a metal that has been at $2,000 per ounce. It's now, like I said, $980, below 1,000. So certainly it would not hurt to add platinum to your portfolio. This is a gift at these kind of prices. It is an industrial metal. It's not a monetary metal like gold is, and silver being an industrial metal first and a monetary or investment metal second. We'll be watching this week the manufacturing index in China. Everybody's watching it very closely, hoping it'll come in over 50, and it'll take us out of a recession talk in China and hopefully steady the stock market over there that's dropped so much. So watch as the week wears on. You could see gold and silver start jumping as early as Thursday morning on future contracts that are closing. The Shemitah is right around the corner. We're only 6 weeks away roughly to the Shemitah time frame that starts, where you've read the mystery of the Shemitah and the repetitiveness of the stock market dropping over 25% every 7 years, starting in 1973 with no exceptions. And certainly that doesn't mean it will this year, but certainly it's something you got to be aware of in your portfolio. So there's really it's a slow time normally in July. It's always considered the slowest month. And here we are right now with 2 to 4 week delays delivering silver and 2 week delays delivering gold. Some gold we have live right away, but a lot of it is delayed. I can't imagine what it's going to be like the next 3 months. But just remember, when you order from us and you pay us, we keep your money in escrow until they ship your article to you. We then pay. So we never put your money at risk. But this is a time to be doing your homework and allocation work. And for any of you that are interested in having gold and silver physical in your IRAs, you need to give us a call. And if you have any questions about the silver and gold market, we're happy to answer those. You can reach us at 800-247-2812. That's 800-247-2812. And also, we continue to believe the rare coins are going to continue to be worse investment. If you have those, we're happy to discuss those with you also. If you're not getting our email blast, it's no cost and it's completely confidential. You can sign up at ftmdaily.com and go to the Precious Metals button. If you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe. But we do keep information flowing to you about prices and market conditions and where we see markets going. So hopefully all that will be helpful. But we're getting ready to get more active. We may have another week of things being kind of slow. But once again, when it starts moving this time, we are looking for double-digit moves in both gold and silver over the next 3 months, starting August the 1st, if not this Thursday or Friday. With this week's Precious Metals Market Update, this is Tom Cloud signing out.